everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a thrift flip and I'm really excited for this because I have been bleaching a lot of things lately and I have been a little bit obsessed with it. I posted a few pictures on my Instagram of the kind of the bleaches outfits that I've done, and a lot of you said that you wanna see a video on how I do it. So today's the day. We're going to be doing a video on how to bleach your clothes and potentially ruin them. I'm just joking, you're not gonna ruin your clothes. I'm gonna teach you the right way on how to bleach all your clothes and make them super hip and make them look like you bought them from Urban Outfitters for like $100. So I went through my closet and I found all of these clothes that I wanna bleach. There's a lot of clothes, well actually all of them I thrifted, and I just haven't really worn them in a long time. And a lot of them are kind of just boring. Like there's this one long sleeve turtleneck one and it's brown. There might be stains in it, I don't know, but I thought this one could be a nice one to bleach. I have some basic like Adidas shirts that I just want to bleach. You know, it's got, oh, I got this Nike one that I want to bleach, and more, you know, just a whole bunch of stuff here that I want to bleach. So I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna teach you some techniques on different styles you can do for these bleaching. It's almost like tie-dye. It's super simple though, even easier than tie-dye, so everyone can do it. You won't fail, or hopefully not. I can't guarantee that, but 99% of you won't fail. So I'm gonna do all of these clothes, but then I also because the thrift stores aren't open, I had to go to the store and I bought a sweatsuit. So I'm also going to be bleaching the sweatsuit and showing you how to bleach your own sweatsuit, because I know those are super popular now. They're like $150 on Urban Outfitters, so you can make one at home and it's kind of fun. It's really fun and it won't take you very long. That's the plan today. We're going to be bleaching a lot of clothes and we're going to be doing some thrift flips after with some of them to, you know, make them extra spicy. But yeah, I'm really excited to get started, so let's start this thrift flip. Okay, so for this thrift flip, you really don't need much. All you need is elastic bands, bleach, and then the clothes you're gonna be bleaching. Pretty straightforward. So I am just gonna show you kind of some techniques on how I kind of prep my clothes for the bleach, and that's really just how I like put them with elastic bands and, you know, patterns we're gonna make with it. I typically just like kind of the random splotches all over the shirt to kind of get the bleach effect, but you could also do like ombre, and then you can do like swirls. Like it's really similar to tie-dye, so if you have any like techniques that you like or patterns that you made with tie-dye, you can pretty much just do that. It's the same thing as tie-dye in this message. So what you want up? Okay Benson, why do you always have to be on my lap? Okay, so this is kind of my method for how I get random splotches all over the shirt, or really whatever you're doing. So I just like to crumple it, and this is really what I do, is I just kind of crumple it in random spots and then kind of get it into like a flatter ball almost, or yeah, a flatter ball, so then I can bleach on one side and bleach on the other side when it's in the tub. And all I do is just do this, and then you want to put an elastic band around it. I'm really hoping this doesn't snap, because these have been snapping so much on me lately, but there. And I just like to add this elastic bands randomly around this, just so it stays nice and tight. And there we go. It just looks like a flat ball. Like it's still a ball, but it's flatter, as you can see. So that's all I'm gonna do for pretty much all the items. I might do some ombre or something, I don't know. I'll change some up, but that majority, I'm just kind of randomly scrunching them like that. And then that's how I'm prepping them. Okay, now for the sweatsuit. So I'm doing the same thing. I'm just bunching it all together, and hopefully we get a nice pattern. You never know what you're gonna get with this. There's like Benson hair everywhere. Benson, your hair's everywhere. Oh my gosh, no. I'm running out of elastics. No. chilling in my bathtub. Okay, so I almost got it all to fit in my bathtub, which is probably a sign that I should be bleaching all these clothes that they can't fit them all in my bathtub. So, but I'm not gonna listen to it. I'm gonna keep bleaching. So we're gonna bleach all these clothes. I'm gonna do the sweatsuit after. That's the only thing that didn't fit was the crew neck and the sweatpants. So I'm gonna do that second. I'm gonna do all of these clothes in the bathtub first. But before we can start, I gotta mix my bleach. And when I say mix my bleach, I'm just doing water and bleach. So I'm doing 50% bleach, 50% water. So whatever, how much bleach you need, you just do half-half. And that's the formula I like to use. You don't technically need 100% bleach. I find it works the same if you do 100% or 50-50. So I'm gonna get that started, and then we're gonna put on the gloves and we're gonna start bleaching. Make sure you wear gloves because I do not want anyone's hands getting bleached. So another tip, but I'm excited. So let's get bleaching. Let's get thrift flipping. Let's get whatever this is called. I don't know. But let's get started. It's actually nice because my bathtub actually gets cleaned at the same time, so I'm not mad about bleaching all this. I'm just gonna pour it everywhere. Whoops, that was too much. I have no idea where I'm pouring it. Whoops. Oh my gosh. Whoa, oh my gosh, that is changing so fast. Okay. We're gonna flip all these over now. Okay, so I have everything bleached now in my bathroom. I'm gonna let it sit there probably for about 10 minutes. Do not sit in your bathroom and watch the stuff bleach because the bleach fumes. Just put the fan on and leave it go and just have a timer, and you can go back, check a little bit. But honestly, I was like, when I was pouring the bleach out, my eyes were starting to water. I was like, okay, it's time to get out of there. So I'm just out here chilling, waiting for all the bleach to do its thing. But wow, a lot of the different clothing, depending on the fabric, it is changing so fast. Like some of it changed within like the second the bleach hit, and some are a lot slower. It depends about the fabric. I know like 100% cotton stuff bleaches a lot faster than say polyester, because cotton is like a natural fiber and then polyester obviously is plastics. So it really depends on your actual fabric, on how the bleach is gonna really, you know, attract and how it's gonna attach to it. So keep that in mind when you're picking your garments. If it's a cotton one, it'll probably bleach a lot faster, but polyester, it'll take a little bit longer, but it won't be as light. So it depends on what kind of look you're going for. They're like really bleached look or just kind of subtle. So just something to keep in mind. But I am just gonna, I don't know, go check my mail, do some things, and then I'll be back. So yeah, I'll be back in a bit. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes now, and you do not want to leave your bleach on there more than 10 minutes, just because then it can start to like deteriorate and ruin your fabric. So leave the bleach on for max 10 minutes, no more longer. Just don't risk it. Just don't risk it. So max 8 to 10 minutes. But yeah, it's been about 10 minutes now. So I gotta get in there, rinse all the bleach off, and then I gotta put it all in the washing machine, and then I'll leave it there because then I have to do my sweatsuit next, which I'm super, super pumped to do. But yeah, I'm just wasting time. So I gotta get in there. Oh my gosh, my arms are burning. Like, I feel swole right now. That's how much of a workout that was. Like, I am getting swole in my forearms here. Yep. Definitely the place I want to get swole. Anyways, while that all sits in the washing machine, I'm gonna bleach this sweatsuit now, which I'm so excited because those all turned out really, really, really really good. So I'm really excited to see them when they're actually dry because they look a lot different from my experience wet than they do dry. Just a warning, if you're like, oh, they're not looking very bleached right now if you're doing it along with me, it's okay. They lighten up a lot when you actually wash them and put them in the dryer after. So just hold up. The end is way better, but I'm gonna start these now, see how they go. Cross my fingers if they go well because I actually purchased these for a decent amount, unlike the thrifted clothes I just did. So yeah, I'm gonna get bleaching. I don't know if y'all are gamers or not, but I just, you know, stepped into the gaming world myself not too long ago when I got this Nintendo Switch. And I gotta say, I've missed out on a lot. I have never really been a gamer, and now I can know why. There's so many gamers out there because it's real fun. So, particularly, I am very, 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 very addicted to Animal Crossing right now. It's quite bad, and my island is honestly really terrible, even though I've been playing it so much. It's got a lot of work to do, but I haven't been playing that long, maybe like a week, so it'll get better. It'll get better. I'll show you. No, I'm not gonna show you my island. I was gonna say I'll show you a little bit, but nah, it's terrible. But I'll show you what my character looks like. This is what my character looks like. But yeah, she's real cute. She's got a little bandana on, she's got her glasses, got her nice slides, got her khaki pants. She is just rocking and rolling. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do until my sweatsuit is done. I probably got about 5 minutes left. So 5-minute quick sesh of Animal Crossing, and then I'll be back. So I have them all out of the wash now, and I gotta say, they look pretty dang good. I'm really impressed with myself, honestly. But before I show you them all, I am gonna do a little bit of cropping to a few, just because I have a few that I think need a little crop to make them that much cuter. So I'm gonna crop them now.
Oh, the moon pales in comparison to you, and I don't know what I should do. Love always feels like it gets in the way, hanging out but we got nothing to say. See you tomorrow, love you through sorrow. Leave me some breadcrumbs and I swear I'll follow you. The right way is feeling so wrong, but the right way should lead me to you. Cause if it's true, I don't know what I'll do. Oh, the moon pales in comparison to you, and I wanna spend the rest of my life with you. Your eyes look like the stars. The sky is jealous, you're taking me too far. It's overwhelming. No matter how high we go, I'll find my way back to you.
This is the end.
What nonsense, darling. Well, I fixed you up last night, and I'll do it again.
And that is all for today's thrift flip. I really hope that you enjoyed this thrift flip, and if you did, let me know down in the comments below, and also like this video. And if you really like thrifting or thrift flips or DIYs or anything really like that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram at Jenna Phipps. And that's it. So I'm gonna say thank you again for watching today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.